My dear children, in this video we are going to see about basic logic gates from chapter 2 Boolean algebra. Here we have three basic fundamental gates, namely AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. From these fundamental gates we can derive some other gates like NAND gate, NOR gate, exclusive OR gate and XNOR gate. These gates derived from fundamental gates. So these are all called it as derived gates. See here basic logic gates. First we can see what is a gate. A gate is a basic electronic circuit which operates on one or more signals to produce an output signal. Here is an example for logic gates. Here to produce a single output signals, it has to operate one or more input signals. That is called it as gate. There are three fundamental gates, namely AND, OR and NOT. Here we are having three fundamental gates. First one is AND gate, second OR gate and third one is NOT gate. From these three fundamental gates, we can derive some other logic gates also. These are all called it as derived gates. Here NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR also called it as exclusive OR gate and exclusive NOR or XNOR gate. These are all called it as derived gates because these gates derived from three fundamental gates AND, OR and NOT gates. Here NAND and NOR gates are also called it as universal gates. That is given NAND and NOR gates are called universal gates because the fundamental logic gates can be realized through them. Here the fundamental logic gates AND or NOT can be realized through NAND and NOR gates. So these two gates are also called it as universal gates. First we can see about AND gate. The AND gate can have two or more input signals and produce an output signal. Here this is symbol for AND gate. Here it is going to produce a single output. Here C is our output. A and B both are input. Here in AND gate we can have two or more than two input signals to produce a single output signal that is given. Next the output is true. Here this is our output. True means 1 only when both inputs are true. When the both inputs are true, output will be true. True means once. Otherwise the output is false. False means 0. If any one of the input is false or both inputs are false, the output will be false. Next point, the output of the AND gate is represented by a variable say C. Here C is output variable where A and B are two input Boolean variables. Here A and B both are input variables. In Boolean algebra, a variable can take either of the values 0 or 1. These input variables can take the value 0 or 1. 0 means false, 1 means true. The logical symbol of the AND gate is, this is a logical symbol for AND gate. Next we can see the truth table for AND gate. Here we have two input variables, A and B, both are input variables and C is our output variable. In AND gate, if any one of the input is false, our output will be false. If all the inputs are true, our output will be true. The first one, both inputs are false, so output is false only. The second possibility, first input is false, so obviously output will be false. The third choice, second input is false, so output is 0. The fourth choice, both inputs are true, so output will be 1 only. Next point, one way to symbolize the action of an AND gate is by writing the Boolean function. Here C is equal to A and B. Here AND is the Boolean function, A and B both are variables, Boolean variables. The Boolean algebra, the multiplication sign stands for AND operation. Here we are using dot, that is multiplication. It is used to represent AND operation. Therefore, the output of the AND gate is C is equal to A and B, or simply you can write C is equal to AB. Let read like this. Read this as C equals A and B. Since there are two input variables here, like that you can have 3 input variables or 4 input variables. If it is 3 input variables, you are having 2 cube. 2 cube is equal to 8 various possibilities. Here we have taken 2 input variables. So you have 4 entries. 2 square. 2 square is equal to 4 entries. Because 4 possible inputs. First we have to take both as a false. Next we have to take first one as a false, second one as a true. Third possibility, first one you have to take it as a true, second one you have to take it as a false. Fourth possibility we have to take both as a true. Next we can see an example. For instance, if both inputs are 0, what is our output? Here C is equal to A and B. Here A is 0, B is also 0. In AND gate, if all the inputs are true, our output will be true. For all remaining possibilities, the output will be false only. Here both inputs are false, so obviously our output will be false only. Next we can see about OR gate. The output is true if either or both of the inputs are true. In this OR gate, if all the inputs are true or any one of the input is true, our output will be true. Here we have taken 2 input OR gate. In 2 input OR gate, if both inputs are true or any one of the input is true, our output will be true. That is given. The output is true if either or both of the inputs are true. Next point, if both inputs are false, if both inputs are 0, false means 0, then the output is false, output also false. In other words, the output will be true. For all remaining possibilities, the output will be true only. The logical symbol of the OR gate is, here this is our symbol for logical OR gate. Next point, the OR gate output is C is equal to A or B. Here we are using plus sign to denote this OR function. C is equal to A plus B. So we can write it as C is equal to A plus B. But you have to read it as C equals A or B. Next we can see an example. If both inputs are 1, here both inputs A plus B, A and B both are 1. So 1 plus 1. If all the inputs are 1 or any one of the input is 1, our output will be 1. So our output is 1 here. Next we can see about NOT gate. The NOT gate called a logical inverter. This NOT gate is also called it as logical inverter. It has only a single input. Here we don't use more than one input. Here we are having single input in NOT gate. Next point, it reverses the logical state. NOT gate is going to reverse the logical state. Next point, the logical symbol of the NOT gate is, this is the logical symbol for NOT gate. Here A is our input, C is our output. It is going to negate the input values. C is equal to NOT of A. The Boolean function of NOT gate is C is equal to NOT A. We can represent like this. C is equal to A bar. A bar, we can read it as NOT A. In Boolean algebra, the overbar stands for NOT operation. Therefore, read this as C equals NOT A or C equals the complement of A. Here, if A is 0, C is equal to 1. Here A is our input. If A is 0, false, our output C will be true. On the other hand, if A is 1, if A is equal to 1, the output C is equal to 0, 0 or false. Next we can see its truth table. The truth table for NOT gate is, here we have single input and single output. A is our input, C is our output. The input is true, our output will be false. The input is false, output will be true. Next we can see about NOR gate. The NOR gate circuit is an OR gate followed by an inverter. This is logic circuit for NOR gate. Here OR gate followed by an inverter, which is NOR gate. Its output is true if both inputs are false. Otherwise the output is false. If both inputs are false, our output will be true. For other remaining possibilities, the output will be false only. In other words, the only way to get 1 as output is to have both inputs 0. Here both inputs A is 0, B is also 0. Here A or B. Here both inputs are 0, so A or B is also 0. Next, it is going to negate NOT of A or B. So NOT of 0 is equal to 1. Otherwise, the output is 0. For all remaining possibilities, the output will become as 0. The logic circuit for NOR gate is, this is a logic circuit for NOR gate. Next we can see logic symbol for NOR gate. This is logic symbol for NOR gate. In the symbol, first we have to put this OR gate. Instead of this NOT gate, we have to put bubble here, which is logic symbol for NOR gate. Next we can see how to write output for this NOR gate. The output of NOR gate is C equals NOT of A or B. You have to read it as C equals NOT of A or B, or C equals the complements of A or B. That is given here. Read this as C equals NOT of A or B, or C equals complement of A or B. Next we can see an example. C is equal to NOT of 0 or 0. 0 or 0 is equal to 0. So 0 bar or NOT of 0. NOT of 0. It is going to negate 0. So NOT of 0 is equal to 1. Next we can see truth table for NOR gate. In this truth table, we have two inputs. A and B, both are inputs. Here first we have to find A or B. In this OR, if all the inputs are false, our output will be false. If any one of the input is true, our output will be true. Next we have to find NOT of A or B. Here we have to invert all zeros into 1, then ones into zeros. Here 0 inverted into 1, then all ones inverted into zeros. This is truth table for NOR gate. Next we can see about NAND gate. The NAND gate operates an AND gate followed by a NOT gate. Here AND gate followed by NOT gate, which is NAND gate. It acts in the manner of the logical operation AND followed by inversion. Next point, the output is false. Output C is false if both the inputs are true. If both A and B both are true, our output will be false. For all remaining possibilities, our output will be true only. That is given. Otherwise, the output is true. In other words, the output of the NAND gate is 0 if and only if the inputs are 1. Otherwise, the output is 1. The logic circuit for NAND gate is, this is logic circuit for NAND gate. Next, logical symbol for NAND gate. Here first AND gate with, instead of this NOT gate, here bubble is given, which is symbol for logical NAND gate. Next we can see the output of the NAND gate. The output of the NAND gate is C equals NOT of A and B, or C equals complement of A and B. That is given here. Read this as C equals NOT of A and B, or C equals complement of A and B. Let's see an example. For example, if both the inputs are 1, here both A and B both are 1, C equals NOT of 1 and 1. 1 and 1 is equal to 1. So NOT of 1 is equal to 0. Next we can see the truth table for NAND gate. In this truth table, we have taken two inputs, A and B, both are inputs. First, we have to find A and B. In this AND, if all the inputs are true, our output will be true. Next, we have to find NOT of A and B. So, all zeros inverted into ones and 1 inverted into 0. That is the truth table for NAND gate. Dear children, in this video we have seen 3 basic fundamental gates and 2 universal gates, NAND gate and NOR gates. Its continuation we can see in the next class. Thank you children.